If you forget your MacBook password, then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to show you how you can reset your MacBook password. So let's get started. Well, at first you have to shut down your MacBook. Then you have to press the power button and you have to hold it for a few seconds. So let's do it. Okay, until you see this option, then you have to choose this option and then click on continue button. Then wait for a few seconds. Okay, then you have to select your admin account, then click here forgot all passwords. Okay, by the way, before click here you have to connect your MacBook with internet. Let's do it. Then click on join, then click here forgot all passwords, then input your Apple ID here, Apple ID Gmail, which was connected with your MacBook. Then click on next button, then input your Apple ID password, then click on next button. You can see here authentication succeeded. Then click here exit to recovery. Then you have to click here utilities, then click on terminal option, then write here reset password, RESET reset password, then click on enter button. Then click here deactivate Mac, then click on deactivate. Okay, if they want Apple ID email again, so then input it, then click on next button, then input your Apple ID password, then click on next button. Okay, then you have to set new password here. Okay, I am going to set my new password. Input same password in the second box, then the last box is password hint, it's not necessary. Okay, then click on next button. Alhamdulillah, my user account password has been reset. Now I have to click on Apple logo, then I have to click on restart button. Okay, then input your new password, then click on OK button. Alright, now I am going to input my new password here. Okay. Alhamdulillah, now my PC is okay and it's working properly. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so in this way you can fix this problem easily. By the way, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.